Hey guys, so I forgot, I wanted to add one more thing, and that is that you have to do 2 pages on your student research notebook today. And the second page, or page 3, I should say, I believe it's page 3. Yeah, page 3, asks you to differentiate between strong evidence that would support only one explanation, weak evidence that might support several different explanations, and what we call disconfirming evidence, which we can use to rule out certain explanations. And what you're trying to do is decide what your evidence is and whether that evidence is strong, weak, or disconfirming for each of your possible hypotheses for why the trees are dying. And I'll give you an example. So let's look at this situation. Let's say you are a detective and you are at a crime scene gathering evidence, and this is what you have. You've got your chalk outline here. You have the murder weapon, a knife, and you see some muddy footprints in the carpet. Disconfirming evidence could be these footprints right here. Let's just say that they're size 15 feet. Maybe I know right away then that it's most likely a man, and I can use that to disconfirm certain suspects. Like if I was originally thinking that, oh, maybe this person's wife did it, but she has size 4 feet, then these footprints right here would disconfirm that hypothesis and sort of get her off the hook. Or it could be evidence that would disconfirm her as a suspect. Weak evidence might be to say that these footprints would say, okay, a man must have done this. But there might be like 4 or 5 different suspects who are men. I can't say with certainty what man it is just based on the fact that there are these giant feet prints in the carpet. Now, strong evidence would be if I found fingerprints here on the handle of the knife, because as you know, a fingerprint is unique to the individual, and I could use that as strong evidence that would point to just one potential suspect as being the perpetrator here in this crime. So again, strong evidence would lead to one explanation. Weak evidence might corroborate several different explanations, and disconfirming evidence is used to rule out certain explanations. I hope that was helpful, and I hope you guys can use that example when you are applying these 3 kinds of evidence to the data that you collected yesterday. All right, everybody, enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see you tomorrow.